Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add trust badges to your Shopify homepage. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you'll be able to go ahead and access your store by logging in. And after that, now you can go ahead and take a look at this home page right here, where the left side of the screen we can take a look at the home section, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding the trust badges to your Shopify homepage. What we're going to do is right here under the apps section, we're going to click add apps. Clicking add apps is going to open up this new menu where you can take a look at all the apps that you can use for Shopify, and at the bottom of the page is going to be an option that says to open up the Shopify App Store. So you want to open up the Shopify App Store. That's going to open up this App Store right here where you can take a look at all the apps you have, and at the top of the page you have a search bar. This search bar you can go ahead and use by typing in trust badge. So I'm here going to go ahead and search for trust badge. After searching for trust badge, you can trust badge. This is now going to enable this results page where you can take a look at all the apps that we have for trust badge, and you can have a lot of them. You have the trusted side application, we have Essential Trust, and so on. You can test out any of them that you like. You can open up any of the applications, and after opening it up, you can go ahead and either view the demo store or you can go ahead and install them for yourself. So by clicking the install button, it's going to enable you to test out the demo version of the application, so you can go ahead and install it right here by clicking the install button, and after successfully installing it, it's going to appear right here under your app section where you can get started with adding your trust badges to any homepage that you want in your store. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.